Hello, and welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast Learning. Today, we're going to learn about another Elliott wave structure, i.e., running triangle. Triangles are overlapping structures with 5 sides. They subdivide into 5-3 swing moves as 3-3-3-3-3 that gives pause to a trend. This consolidates the progress made during a trending move that can be either bullish or bearish. Running triangles are never seen as standalone structures in Wave 2 and will only show up in the fourth waves of a 5-wave impulse. It is relatively common seeing triangle structures in 3 swing moves as the connector wave between the wave W or A, with the triangle itself being the wave B or wave X connector. Then the thrust from the triangle resumes in wave C or Y in the same direction as the preceding wave W or A. In these particular running triangle structures, you'll see the wave B to exceed the origin point of wave A in either a bullish or bearish market. One indicator we'll use to identify the possibility of a running triangle is the RSI. The wave A and B will show the high and low points of the RSI reading as well as price, with the wave C, D, and E contracting smaller swings each until it reaches its terminus and resumes its previous trend. The dotted lines preceding the A waves of the triangle can be either wave 3 or can also be a wave A or W. After the E wave terminates the triangle, the dotted lines resume the preceding trend in either a wave 5, wave C, or Y. If you would like to learn more about Elliott wave patterns, sequence of swings, and how to trade them in real time, feel free to subscribe to our 14-day trial.